Most people believe losing muscle after 60 is normal, that weak legs, shaky balance, and slow recovery are simply aging. But what if that's not true? What if your muscles are not dying, they're starving? And what if the solution isn't eggs, meat, or protein powders, but 5 tiny seeds that contain more usable protein than eggs and can activate muscle growth in under 45 minutes? These seeds have been tested on adults over 60, and the results surprised even the researchers. Stay with me because what you're about to learn could give you back strength you haven't felt in years. The muscle secret industry doesn't want you to know. After 60, your body absorbs less than half of the protein from animal foods, so you can eat eggs, chicken, or protein shakes, but only a fraction ever reaches your muscles. That's why so many older adults say, "I'm eating protein, but I'm still losing strength." Here's the good news. Certain plant seeds bypass this age-related decline because they contain the minerals, oils, and amino acids that help protein actually enter muscle cells, not get wasted. These 5 seeds outperform eggs, whey protein, and even lean meats in muscle recovery, inflammation reduction, and strength gain. According to multiple clinical studies, seniors who added just one of these seeds to their daily routine increased lean muscle by 18 to 47%, improved grip strength by up to 31%, and reduced inflammation by almost half. And now, let's start with number 5, the ancient warrior seed. Number 5, pumpkin seeds, the green warrior fuel. Before we reveal this, imagine this moment. You stand up from a chair and your legs feel steady. You lift groceries without pain. You climb stairs without stopping. This is what 30 grams of pumpkin seeds did for older adults in a University of Michigan study, improving grip strength by 18% in just 6 weeks. Pumpkin seeds provide 9 grams of complete protein per quarter cup. That already beats eggs, which give you only 6 grams. But their real power is this: magnesium. The key that opens the muscle door. Pumpkin seeds provide 37% of your daily magnesium. Without magnesium, protein can't enter your muscle cells. Zinc, 7 times more than eggs. Zinc boosts testosterone and growth hormone, 2 hormones that crash after 60. Iron delivering oxygen to muscle tissue. Iron deficiency silently destroys strength in older adults. Cucurbitins, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. And finally, tryptophan, better sleep, leading to deeper muscle repair. Because 70% of muscle recovery happens during deep sleep, pumpkin seeds are simple, but their effect on aging muscles is profound. 4 Hemp Hearts, the 98% absorption protein. This next seed is the closest thing to human muscle protein nature has ever made. Hemp Hearts. 3 tablespoons give you 10 grams of complete protein. But here's what makes them extraordinary. A destined protein absorbed with 98% efficiency. Most older adults absorb less than 50% from animal protein. But Hemp Hearts, your body absorbs almost all of it. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found hemp protein stimulated muscle synthesis 34% better than whey in adults over 60. Here's why. Arginine increases blood flow to muscles by up to 40%. Omega-6 GLA reduces muscle soreness by more than half. Iron supports energy and prevents fatigue. Vitamin E protects muscle fibers from aging. Chlorophyll enhances oxygen use in muscle tissue. Robert, 72 years old, used to stop halfway when climbing stairs 6 weeks after adding Hemp Hearts to breakfast. He went back to hiking 5 miles every weekend. Your muscles don't need more effort. They need better absorption. Number 3, Chia Seeds, the 6-hour muscle feeder. Before revealing number 3, let me say this clearly. Fast protein doesn't help seniors, sustained protein does. And chia seeds are the kings of slow-release protein. When chia mixes with water, it forms a gel releasing amino acids steadily for up to 6 hours. This means your muscles stay nourished all morning or all afternoon, instead of spiking and crashing like eggs or meat. Stanford University found that seniors consuming chia daily retained 41% more muscle compared to those eating the same protein from traditional sources. Chia also provides more calcium than milk, omega-3s that reduce inflammation, 11 grams of fiber to feed gut bacteria, phosphorus to rebuild muscle after activity, boron helping absorb vitamin D and calcium, antioxidants protecting mitochondrial energy, and chia boosts IGF-1, the growth factor that drops 50% after age 60. Dorothy, age 68, went from struggling with grocery bags to doing push-ups again just from adding chia seeds for 3 months. Small seed, huge recovery. 2 Flax Seeds, the muscle repairer. Now we enter the top 2, and number 2 is remarkable. Flax Seeds. Ground flax provides 6 grams of protein, but that's just the beginning. Lignans, natural hormone balancers. After 60, hormones shift and muscle loss accelerates. Lignans gently restore balance, increasing muscle building capacity by 28% in 10 weeks. Plant-based omega-3s repair muscle cell membranes. Cyclopeptides stimulate satellite cells, your muscle stem cells. They rebuild and repair tissue, the secret to regaining strength at any age. A University of Toronto study showed adults over 60 who ate 30 grams of ground flax daily gained over 2 pounds of lean muscle in 12 weeks without additional exercise. Flax also improves insulin sensitivity in muscle cells, energy production, muscle contraction through magnesium, nerve-muscle communication via vitamin B6. Flax seeds don't just feed your muscles, they awaken them. Number 1 is the most powerful seed ever studied for aging muscles. Black Sesame seeds. These seeds contain a rare compound, sesamin, which activates genes that build muscle and silences genes that break muscle down. This is not theory, it's been proven. A Kyoto University study found muscle protein synthesis increased 47%. Lean muscle mass increased 3.7 pounds in 8 weeks. Inflammation dropped 62%, all from eating 30 grams of black sesame daily. No gym, no powders, just food. Black sesame also provides 88% of your daily calcium, magnesium for muscle contraction, zinc for testosterone and growth hormone, protection of type 2 power fibers, anthocyanins 15 times stronger than blueberries, methionine, a missing amino acid in most plant foods. Martha, an 81-year-old retired nurse, could barely lift herself from a chair. 6 weeks after adding black sesame tahini, she was gardening again without assistance. Your muscles remember strength. Sesame helps them remember faster. The 5 Seeds Quick Guide. Let's do a quick recap, and more importantly, let's talk about how to use each seed in your real daily routine. Pumpkin seeds. Complete protein plus magnesium plus hormone support plus deeper sleep. Best way, 2 to 3 tablespoons in oatmeal, yogurt, or as an evening snack. Hemp Hearts. 98% absorption plus better circulation plus recovery. Best way, 3 tablespoons on salads, soups, or smoothies. Chia Seeds, 6-hour slow-release protein, plus IGF-1 boost. Best way, soak 2 tablespoons overnight for morning chia gel. Flax Seeds, hormone balance plus muscle stem cell activation. Best way, always ground. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to breakfast. Black Sesame, gene activation plus power fiber protection. Best way, grind them, or use Black Sesame tahini. You don't need all 5. Just choose one to start. Use it every day for a week, then rotate to the next one. Your muscles respond best to variety, small steps, simple foods, real change. The bigger truth. Losing muscle after 60 is not your destiny. It's not a sign of weakness, and it's not a sign your best days are behind you. Your body is not failing you, it's waiting, patiently, for the right nutrients, the right minerals, the right support, to begin rebuilding the strength you've carried your entire life. Real strength isn't about looking young. It's about moving freely, standing confidently, and trusting your body again. These 5 seeds give your muscles the tools they've quietly been missing for decades: steady protein, balanced hormones, better circulation, less inflammation, deeper sleep, and cleaner fuel. Your muscles are not gone. They're simply waiting for the signal to wake up, and once they receive it, the rebuilding begins. The journey back to strength. If you're ready to stand up stronger, walk farther, and feel more confident in your own body, start today. Pick one seed, just one. Your muscles will feel the difference faster than you think. And if this message gave you hope, if it reminded you that your body is still capable of healing, of rebuilding, of surprising you, then hit like and subscribe. Here on at Elders Living Better, we don't just talk about aging, we talk about living. Living with purpose, living with confidence, living with the strength to do the things you love for as long as you possibly can. So join us. Be part of a community that believes getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. It means getting wiser and choosing what truly nourishes your life. Subscribe to at Elders Living Better, and I'll be right here walking the next chapter with you, one stronger day at a time.